Really? They're saying he's going to be Rookie of the Year over there, huh? Depends. He continues on the hot streak he's been on. Might be a good time to sell. As they're ramping up talking about him being Rookie of the Year, you know. If he doesn't win, it might tank next year. All right. Here we go. Inception number 22. Good luck, everyone. Franklin Barreto, the prospect auto for the A's. Jeremy, WHI. So far, so good, Jeremy. Aaron Judge, prospect auto for the Yankees. Tony, BEN. Manuel Margot, prospect auto for the Red Sox. Neil, KOL. We've got our Inception auto. Luis Severino just made his debut last week. Another one for the Yankees. Tony, BEN. Nice hit. And our last hit. Another one for the Red Sox. Nice short print. Henry Owens. 13 of 25 auto jersey. Going to the Red Sox. Neil, KOL. And that will do it for Inception. Cal just pointed out, I don't know if they're all like that or not. There's no N. It's the Inception auto.
If he doesn't go away, listen, he has like 7 weeks very important baseball left. If he continues to rage the next
no N.
there's going to be a market for Davis. You know what's interesting too?
101. There we go. We pulled the 101 Inception auto.
They really didn't second guess. No, they had to go for it. They had to go for it. And they're actually within striking distance of first place in the AL East, by the way. They're 5 games behind the New York Yankees. Let's go to San Diego. We got a Capital One Premier play.
Yeah, are all of them like that? Nope. That one's got it. Here's another Severino. Got the orange. All the Severinos look like they're missing the end, so that's not an error or misprint. They're all missing the end.
He would not be the guy you would think of, right? Normally around the strike zone. Gio Gonzalez, you better take off and run. Is that coming back into fair territory? He loses his
Chris Bryant's got it. But, you know, Severino's the only one missing it. Looks like all of the Severino Inception autos are missing the N. That's kind of dumb. Take care, Jeremy. Have a good night and happy birthday. We'll see you Wednesday. Check packs, make sure I'm not missing any. Nope. Yeah, I like those Inceptio autos. I didn't realize that there were parallels either. Oh, nice, Eric. Probably pull some good money for that one. Well, guys, what do we say? Go ahead and do a last call. Save it up for Wednesday with the release of Inception. Inception football, that is.
Why is Ken Giles so good? I'm going to tell you why Ken Giles is so good. He throws hard, he has a nasty slider, and he has that demeanor. You know, that rough guy that you need in the ninth inning, that rough, tough, like, hey, I want to beat you.
It's kind of surprising that it's not.
Take a look at him. This is Ken Giles.
All right, Eric.
86 to 89 miles an hour. This thing is down. It's a tough
Sorry, I'm getting videos. Oops. Getting videos labeled and uploaded for the archives. I am excited for Wednesday, though. Got our case working, couple boxes for Inception football. Loved that product last year. We went through a lot of it last year. A lot of it. Don't forget, in our case break, we got giving away a box of Clear Vision football. Randomize all the teams at the end. Somebody's going to win a box of Clear Vision. What'd you get, Eric? What'd you get? 15 Pro debut. Let's see if I can pull you some heat. 3, 10, and 16. 3, 10, 16. There you go, Eric. 16, 10, and 3. Good luck. Mondesi, Crick, Gonzalez. There's a hit. A.J. Reed. No numbers. Barry, Fisher, Winker, and Taylor. Medeiros, Ellis, Lindgren, Twine, Medeiros Distinguished Debuts, Davidson, Newcomb, and Alfaro. And the last one. Let me get you 2. Plawecki, Stewart, Binford, Ward, Seager, Chapman, Rodon, and Bryant. Not a bad way to end it out. The Rodon and the Bryant. There you go, Eric. Thank you. The farm relic. I wish. We pulled one.
Starts immediately. LifeLock. I love going all natural, especially when it comes to my burger.
Do one more last call. Get out of here for the night. Come back on Wednesday. Got Inception football coming out. Bunch of stuff working. A lot of randoms getting close. We'll get some fresh product up there for you guys too. Cal got some Elite up and some Clear Vision. We got a few other different boxes here that we'll throw up for you as well. Keep an eye out for those. You know, I forgot something. Not a problem, Eric. Thank you.
Castillo drives this one into the He's going to run for three. Send him home. I guess not. He's like, Harold, I'm a catcher. It is 10-3. This one into one.
And I think that is going to do it for tonight. Thanks for coming and hanging out, guys. Again, all your packages went out today. A lot of you should be seeing them Wednesday, the rest of you on Thursday. So keep an eye out for those. Jeremy, you're probably going to want to hang by the mailbox because there's no way that your box is fitting in your mailbox. They're going to have to drop it off at your door. So make sure it's not raining. You're ready to grab that. A lot of you guys got boxes. It's going to be Christmas in August for you come Wednesday and Thursday. So have a good couple of days, guys. Again, keep an eye out on the site for anything new we get up there for you. Don't forget, we've got Inception football releasing on Wednesday. So we will be back then. Have a good couple of days. We'll see you on Wednesday.
Let's go to Los Angeles. So Chen's throwing hard. Gio Gonzalez is throwing 93. I was turned around and Chippy. Oh, he's got to play at second. Ward's got a cannon. Enrique Hernandez into second base safely. So it's Alberto Castro at play. Oh, nice play. No play.